Come, me greedy. Put
your money now.
Put your money.
No way.
I think the principal has invited police to school. What I would tell you, as I was coming, I saw about 3 policemen. Those are nice people, but me, I don't think
Who said it?
Crystal, the only reason I did not expel you from this school is because of your father. Because of the relationship your father has with this school. Your father is a good man. Hey, keep away from those guys. Sit down and read your book. Study hard so that you will be someone tomorrow. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Ma, I'm sorry for everything. I promise it won't happen again. I will be a good girl.
You better be. Because if I catch you again, that's the end. You will leave this school. So I made myself clear? Okay?
Thank you, ma.
You can now leave.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I want you to stop following me around in this school. I don't want your friendship. Please leave me alone. But listen, Jumbo, I did not come to this school to play around. I came to this school to read and pass my exams. I'll report you to the school authority if you don't stop.
Let me call you now. Why are you like this?
But don't let this thing you're trying to do.
What is that? You do I shout. Nobody could know anything.
Maybe someone sees us.
From where? Look, this is only me there. Please, can you give me money?
Give me money?
Yes.
Where is it?
I will give you finish.
No, where is it now?
I pay for service.
Yes. I'm going to do it here.
No, wait a second. Go inside. Come on. Go sit there. You get toilet roll. Toilet roll there.
Yourself, the last one.
We're at 3, so. Why do we share that finish? Yeah.
This game, I will so chop, eh?
Oh, yeah, no.
Yeah, this
Hey, what's up?
Yo! What's up?
What's up? What's happening?
Jumbo of life.
What's up now? How they feel?
How far now?
But I'm in the plane now.
Nah.
Una dey professional for this game. You know, how una take manage bring this idea of decayed physics? How? Who you ask? Now the master planner himself you go ask. And I Jumbo cook that thing. Jumbo of life.
I know advice for men are cool down, men are chill. I'm not talking. Men are cool for that stupid idiot. I mean for now, you know go talk for some time.
Wait. If now you they pack decayed shit into your mouth, not to that now you
I didn't tell you.
I beg. See, I did this next.
I put your bar, I put your money.
and your back kill him.
You need to drop your bar now.
No, even like call me greedy. Put
your money now.
You won't put your money.
No
I think the principal has invited police to school. When I was there with them, as I was coming, I saw over the policemen. Don't say nice school come back.
Who said it?
Happen? How? What did they talk say happen?
Since yesterday, you guys were just scarce.
See,
I was even wondering, maybe I don't know whether I just, see happen.
see that yesterday, I was feeling down.
Yeah.
I couldn't say I go to my sister's house. I can't sleep.
Yeah. No wonder. What about Nene? Did she go with you?
Yes, now everybody, even Cleo.
Yeah, I thought as much.
And what's it going to happen since then?
No, nothing happened. Or did anybody tell you something happened?
No. Only be say, I don't know, the wood we just did the atmosphere. Can't they be like say something happen? But anyway, no problem. As I did so, if like say I still won't go back, go meet that my sister because she still need me.
No problem, Sha. I won't go ease myself.
Ihe n'ụwa dịkwa egwu ndị amaka efu na ndị isi komkom abịakwala sukulu ndị nkụzi nọ n'ụjọ ụmụ akwụkwọ na-ezozi ezo. If you find their trouble one day, you go window. This school is on fire. Onye ọbụla ze isi ya maka ndị amaka efu na ndị isi nkụwa abịakwala sukulu. Ihe n'ụwa dịkwa egwu ndị amaka efu na ndị isi komkom abịakwala sukulu ndị nkụzi na-ezozi ezo ụmụ akwụkwọ na-ebe
I mean, I make her here. Also sending no get where to stay for this midterm break. You know her parents live very far in Lagos and she can't be going back and forth. So now make her since make her just raise this suggestion. If anybody go feel help.
I don't understand. I mean, you're there. Why can't she stay with you? You live with your auntie.
Neko. Like you don't know the problem between myself and my auntie.
So where would you not be staying?
That is supposed to be my business.
Now I come in. Guy, you know safe my house, not let me and my mother. So chance day, rooms day. Make she come and stay with me.
See?
Jumbo, thank you. Thank you, Jumbo, thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. Jumbo. Thank you very much.
Yeah, that will be my sister for Jungle now. I go there, she go there, all this go there.
But see, Jumbo.
Kaka, what's that?
Jumbo, look at me very well.
What's that?
Take good care of her.
You know nah. Win like this, go stay with me, I go leave her. I dey mad.
Thank you.
Bamba, camera, bamba, bamba. I can't attack you. I take it right out. Double peso.
I really, really enjoyed myself in the village during the festive period. Babe, you all know how it is in the village during festive period.
Come and see different groups, different masquerade dancing. I do not even know Jumbo dances native dance so well. I thought it's only Azonto he know how to dance so well. But do you know the funniest part of it?
Please tell us.
Master Collins received the beating of his life.
Hey! Hey! From who?
From Jumbo's masquerade, of course. You don't mean it. It was a sight to behold. Come and see how Jumbo held him tight while the masquerade flogged him.
Hey! I like this story. I like it.
At last, that love my teacher has been beating him. The rest of his life.
That serves him right.
He was crying. Please.
This story is sweet. See, let me tell you. I'm not talking this just when we talk. You know, sweetie, jelly, food, joy. But as you see me so, I dey hish. As I dey so, na book and I dey see.
Which way?
I dey wait oh.
I don't feel down myself.
No more na una dey enjoy this.
I dey wait for you. They go back.
Jumbo.
What's that?
That girl is your senior student.
I beg come on there. Senior my foot. She don't reach people who are not spin here, spin them down like this, date them, do them anything when I want that. What this should be? And they carry wins and spin street girls.
Now that one.
Who should be now?
That one.
No, we hear you.
Now that one. No,
Who really babe, man?
We know you. They try.
See, make I tell you now, to show now say I feel control babe, no matter the class of the girl. My party I want to do inside town, I go bring her come this place. Serious? And they tell you, I can't cut the party come down here.
Jumbo! No, but no reality. Anybody where they pass here, that's not good to say that true.
I'm dead serious. Wait. Second part. I am dead serious, man.
Jumbo, I don't want to take one.
See, no be say the dough day, but any small dough where I hold, will you help me sponsor? Or not day?
No, we did. We did.
Say on a day.
We did.
What do you mean? What do you mean? Can I come? Nobody go fist stop him now.
Wait.
Jumbo.
Both of these guys are kind of lines. Okay, you know what's going to happen now? We gotta give these guys some kind of lines. Make it head for me. Okay, when I say John, you say boo. John, boo. John, boo. When I say John, you say boo. John, boo. John, boo.
These guys,
What do they make una rejoice?
Oh, ma, give you one storyline where Jumbo just drop give us. Nah, fresh in town.
When I say John, you say boo. John, boo. John, boo. John, boo. When I say John, you say boo. John, boo.
So remember to submit the assignments tomorrow. I don't want any excuses. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Jumbo, there's no need for you to hide. Why are you hiding? There's no point. Come and move away from here. No point. When you tried that nonsense you tried at the village square yesterday, you did not remember that I will see you in school today, isn't it?
I don't know this. Sorry, sir. Sorry. You know this culture thing. The masquerade spirits enter us, you know. Now greet as me I can't greet you. So the masquerade come to say na quarrel.
Masquerade spirit indeed.
I beg, no.
Okay. So masquerade spirit entered into you. Okay. That same masquerade spirit has possessed me and it has entered inside me. From henceforth, I will deal with you in this school. You will see. Keep running and keep hiding anytime you see me. Masquerade spirit. A medicacious spirit. You will see.
You know, say, anytime I see this man, I may remember that film. See, for a man, and you run out.
You know, this man, they talk all this now. Make me not vex. You should be know me now.
No, I know it is.
When I face this guy, see, do break like this now. As I open eye, now him I see. You go come over for this school from me.
I see they talk all those things, and just you might collect that king right there. I flog and be part two.
That boy is there will be one up.
Pitiful.
If you find that trouble, man, you go and go. This school is on fire. Oh, no, but I say it's here. Makanda, Make.
Hey! What's the problem? What's up? Yeah. How was my
Hey, boo! Babe, you dey here? I beg, this one no be book.
Wetin dey happen? I still dey shout.
Drop book, drop. You never hear say party dey this. I dey tell you now, you never hear.
Wetin talk?
Hey, babe, oh Jesus. If you see the party wey dey happen for this school,
No people matter with this again o.
This party, no be small thing. Baby, where I go rock for the
Chai! My head don scatter. Omo!
Chineke. Hey! Come on here.
Oya show them!
Let express again level.
Show them breast!
Bang bang. Shake am
You
for
go
me.
feel me?
Shake am for me.
Happy!
Hi, babe.
Oh boy!
Babe.
I go dey
Babe.
I dey
tell you, babe.
Baby!
Hey.
Na me dey build, nothing dey happen.
You go kill
Nothing
me.
dey happen.
You go kill me.
When dem dey, baby, I don work with people, I don mingle, I don see, baby, nothing dey happen.
Everything.
Hey,
We dey.
I dey, confirm.
Babe, give me 5,
Nothing,
babe.
baby. Oya,
Another one.
Hello? Hi. Hello? Hi. Hello? Hi. I've been yelling and say my bed there can't come here. What did that happen? What did that happen?
Jambulistic. When I say John, you say boo.
So, we will cut this shit, man. Hold it. We're gonna spell love. L-O-V-E. We're gonna make it, man. We're gonna make it. Now we're going to the floor.
Yeah. Move ahead, Jumbo. TJ upon the replay.
Hey, go. Hey, any baby. Yes.
Who are the people playing this music at the hall which is disturbing one from comprehending what he's reading?
I thought as much. Yes.
Who else? Who else if not John Bull and his fellow idiots?
John Bull. That hoodlum again. But what are they doing at the hall?
I heard they are having a birthday party with his friends today.
Ah, birthday party.
Birthday. During school hours.
And so what? I mean, so what? Is that why John Bull should be disturbing the school during study hours? I mean, is he the only one that is celebrating his birthday?
Oh, please, you don't have to say so. Who's pushing you?
Look, you guys are missing so much. Oh. Why John Bull and his friends are out there celebrating his birthday in the hall?
Wow!
Let's go. Ashok, there is so much to eat and drink.
Wow! Ooh, I'm serious.
In fact, I'm going back. Okonta, aren't you coming with me?
Why? How come we can't to miss that cobbling and jiggy?
Jerry, wait, I'm coming. Are you not going? Are you not going to the birthday party?
Please,
Did you hear what they
please,
said?
please, you can go.
Let's go now.
If you want to go, we go.
Let's go. I said let's go. Let's go.
What's wrong with you? Let's
go.
It's not leave us.
I am going now.
Go. You're disturbing us.
Look at them. Bunch of unserious students.
Don't you know how people enjoy free booze? As if they had never tasted healthy food before. See, even if John Bull's party is the last party to be attended in this life, I will not dare it. I won't dare it.
Obviously.
You know what? From the look of things, it is obvious that guy spent a fortune to make that lousy party happen.
Oh.
But what still astonishes me is where he got money to make such a glamorous party happen.
You are right, my dear. You are right. Oh.
Maybe it's from the money he gets from the bushmeat he hunts himself.
Bush rats, you mean?
Bushmeat. Paul, you know one thing with you. At times you talk like someone who is mentally deranged.
Waka.
Okay. How do you think that guy made money that enabled him to organize such a glamorous party through hunting? Is it not the same bushmeat hunting that both of us were into before?
Fred, maybe John Bull is now the commander-in-chief of all the animals in the bush. Do you want to tell me that all the animals totally succumb to his trap?
My brother, you never can tell such a person who he might be in school and someone might be running the business for him at home.
Come to think of it, how much has he raised from the animals he sells? I mean, to have made such huge amount of money for this party.
Guys, enough, please. The argument is now disturbing more than the music. Will you people just allow us to concentrate on what we are reading, please?
How do you ever think you can concentrate with this kind of noise coming from the hall?
Your argument is worse, please.
It's okay. Let's concentrate on our studies, please.
Madam, please wait. He's coming, okay? Jump in. Come inside. First of all, why is your shirt flying? My friend, what are you talking? Jumbo, do you know this girl? Have you spoken with her?
I didn't see her more around, but I don't know her name.
Hey.
Are you sure?
I didn't see her, but I don't know her name.
Are you sure? Young girl, you heard him. He said he doesn't know you.
Did you hear him? He said he does not know. Did you hear him?
Madam! Please calm down. Let me trash this issue amicably.
I
I should calm down, Abi. I should calm down.
Yes.
Do you know how I managed to raise money to buy her textbooks? To pay her transportation back to school? Even her pocket money? I have sold everything that I have. All my wrappers, I have sold them. All my jewelries, I have sold them just to raise money to send her to school. This stupid girl is the only girl among my 6 daughters that I sent to school since she is the eldest. I sent her to school for her to get a good education, get a good job, and help me train the rest of her siblings. And now she has gotten herself pregnant, and you say I should calm down. Mama, he's the one. He's the one that did what?
He's the one that got me pregnant.
Hey! You got my daughter pregnant! Yeah! Madam, look at this!
This is my office.
No, did happen here? Me give you belly?
Yes.
For dream?
I forgot it. We forgot it the night. The night you gave me money, I celestly shut.
Do what sharp? Jumbo.
Mama?
Teacher.
Where from? Mama, where for get money? Where?
Hey, Jumbo. Please don't go there. Because you men students are capable of doing anything to achieve your ulterior motive. And please, madam, I will advise you to take your daughter home. Let me decide what to do on this issue. You can see I'm confused. I will get back to you, okay?
You see your life? You see your life? I sent you to school to better your education, and you became a prostitute. You are still here looking at me.
Madam, I will get back to you.
Madam, you put my daughter in a family where you denied it. You better leave this school and go to another education school before you pregnant even your principal and everybody.
Madam, leave my office right now.
I need bride price. Come and pay my price. Go. I will go. I will get back to you.
I don't know what is going to happen. I'm just surprised.
Jumbo.
Mama?
Are you sure you're not lying?
Are they crazy?
Because if I find out, I will not take it lying with you.
This girl you see, this is the way this girl see me on the road. Maybe inside school.
Huh?
Mommy.
Jumbo. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. But you told me you haven't spoken with the girl. So, how come?
They said this me. I'm not talking.
Leave my office.
Oh,
just pray to your God that your hands are clean.
Who get where?
Leave.
Ihe n'ụwa dịkwa egwu ndị amaka efu na ndị isi komkom abịakwala sukulu ndị nkụzi nọ n'ụjọ ụmụ akwụkwọ na-ezozi ezo. If you find your trouble one day, you go window. This school is on fire. Oh no,
very close shave. My mom passes not take come for this matter. I swear.
See, so like play like you don't. I'm happy for you.
Stop this one.
But the matter never end.
It never end anything. Never end. I told I mean, you know the hear the guy.
Hell, I hear him as you pass me safe.
This is the cry.
The cry.
Woman, they punch that girl. They beat her. The beat when they beat her, they suspect that they fear about that pregnancy.
Hey.
1 + 1.
I see the Bible, they don't remove that belly. The blood there. I'm serious. I tell you.
That's the matter don't end. I mean, just misunderstand you the way from that. See,
the matter don't end. I just say I use my style like this. It's mama.
Why is 20,000 you stole from my bag? Are you telling me? Why is 20,000 you stole from my bag?
I'm not carrying 20,000 naira. Just mark that guy.
Why is 20,000 you stole from my bag?
I'm not carrying 20,000. No, I beg not to. This is my school.
The
environment not for school. I beg.
I don't care. Whether it is school premises or it is market square, I don't care. Provide my money and let me go. Otherwise, I will shout. I will shout like I shout here now. I will shout.
Mama.
I will shout to the people.
Hey. I not carry your 20,000. I not carry them.
Okay, if it is not you, it must be that girl you brought on during the meet and break.
You people should provide my money, oh.
No.
Eh?
I beg, no, just get bright, I beg, no be.
Jambu, leave me alone. Let me tell you, that money, I borrowed it from the CC women. To enable me buy grinding machine so that I'll be seeing my daily.
Hey, shh. Wait, I beg. Since you said, man, no talk anything, I beg. My brother, sorry.
This poor woman crying must be your mother.
Yes, my mother. We lost one of our uncles, I beg. Wait, sorry.
But why is she crying?
No, that is it now. You stay, somebody went die. Mama, don't worry. God bring, God take it.
But she's crying.
God bring it, God take it. Oh, God take it. If there's another thing where you go talk to me. If there's nothing, just go in a private matter. If not my mama, I be.
Okay.
You be teacher for me, I be student. That one did not take my right away from me.
Okay.
Wait.
Answer me. Who took my money? Who stole my money? Answer me. Who stole my money?
Just go home. When I come back home, we'll go trash him. You hear me, so? We'll go trash him out.
I will go. But if I wait longer time, I will not come back. I will come back here. And when I come, I will cry to the principal. I will cry everywhere. I will shout.
No disgrace me for a year. Now me leave you, make you bomb me. I did my own, you can't deliver me. I did my own, I not beg you. See this woman. I that money now. Now. And the money they pay now where?
Your ma she won't come school.
She not gets now.
This school is on fire. One plus one, ABC for where
I money from work on anywhere anyhow. Money? I take go replace that money. If my mama comes to this school again, principal no go take am easy with me. No. It's not be laughing matter.
This is when you talk that serious. You know say if your mama come to school again, na big beggar for your side.
The way you come plan one, you want to do that, it don't be like this. No, you know say when I smoke my first tire, I can't reason something. I get one solution to this problem.
What will be that?
Yeah, but I go wait make I blood this one so that I will get the inspiration.
This guy knows serious.
I will go back down.
You know, wait.
Nah, the kind fear with your face now.
Calm down for what? Fred, calm down. Why should I calm down? The 30K truth collection I was holding for the students got missing from where I kept it, and all you could say in a time like this is calm down. Guy, if I should that, I no go calm down. Forget that prayer man say I no go calm down. If I calm down, no say my man no burn me well. Not when I know the likely person to be responsible for such an act of cruelty. I no go burn am.
Fred, are you trying to say that you know the person? Do you know the person?
You dey ask me. Who is the person now? Talk, you want me to tell you? I beg. Fred!
Thank you,
John, what happened?
No matter cry where you cry for school that day, see they pay me. When you talk to that money, say you borrow from people. And at the time you say not be making that money, you don't believe me. As you come out, I begin run around. Make I do something. So the total this.
From where did you get this money?
From my friends in school.
A student.
That's why but they do business, they do big, even past people went downstairs, better business. Even get one shop safe. They are packing money, yeah. 20,000 will not be anything for themselves.
Yeah.
Tell them everything I say, make I go. Because me, I not get heart. Since you say you borrow them from this is Susu women, you take and do whatever you want they can do. Go return for them. Me no go do any business, me go spend the money.
Okay, thank you. We can keep it inside us.
You cook something?
Let's go.
I am convinced beyond every reasonable doubt that it was that John Bull and his stupid friends that stole my money. And they must provide that money. If they fail to provide that money, I swear to God, I will make this school too hot for him to stand on. I don't go burn that money. I don't go burn that. Lie.
Wait. How can you prove that it is John Bull that stole this money? Oh, the way you are talking about it looks as if you saw him when he stole the money.
And how can you ask such a stupid question as old as you are? Is it not obvious? It is that naked that guy stole my money. Let me ask you, who in this school do you think that could be responsible for such an act of wickedness, if not that lousy John Bull and his group of idiots? Who do you think? They stole my money and they must provide it.
Okay, Fred, we are still saying the same thing. Okay? Fine, we all know John Bull and his friends have bad names in this school. But that is still no justification to say that he stole your money.
There is justification to this. If not, where did he get the money he used to sponsor that lousy party of his? Where?
Look, Fred, you need a proof to back this up. And remember, John Bull organized that birthday party even before your money was stolen.
Oh,
so
I wonder.
How come you're suspecting him?
You don't go. Sometimes, you don't think I do.
Fred, I am not ready for John Bull's trouble. Okay? I am out of here. We'll meet in class.
You're very stupid. Look at what stupidity and cowardice can do to you. Look at how you just move out of the way for your fellow men.
Thank you very much.
I'm tired for this guy.
John, which guy I be that? I'm afraid of you, boy. John, you sure say that guy know the suspect you are doing?
That boy. Because you don't get any proof. Nothing, you know if you prove anything. Better than
you understand? You sure say that guy know the suspect though?
She no feel. That guy no go fit prove anything. Trust me.
No be saying okay.
I go fleet a like mosquito.
Jumbo. No, I know you now. Just the talk and this will see. No, I just the talk and wow, but that eye.
I go bury this boy alive.
If you make any move, Adi.
Hey,
you go get why he calls you. Only you want. But since you say you no go suspect you, shall know wala. But that eye, I don't understand that. That eye no be eye okay.
I be Baba here.
No, I know we know you. Trust. We know you. Baby Jumbo. You know.
I can't wait for the forthcoming inter-house dance cultural competition in order to showcase my dancing skills.
The house mistress said I'm too heavy for the dance. Is it true?
Of course not. Look, Elena, you have the perfect build for that kind of dance.
Hey, Paula, please don't start.
But it's true now. Look, my dear, you caught the true picture of an African beauty.
When you see a woman with a vision, you don't
Are you ready now? Baby girl, show them. Show them.
Touch you,